Here is how to turn off professional account on Instagram. First of all, open up Instagram app and go to your profile by tapping your profile icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. Next step, open main menu. Tap on three lines at the top right corner of the screen. Once you're here, you should scroll down until you find option Creator, Tools and Controls and proceed to it. Next step, in very bottom you will see switch account type. Proceed to the specific option. From the appeared menu, select switch to professional or to business account. So from professional account you can switch to business account or to personal account. So in my specific order I switch it to personal account. Then from the appeared menu tap on switch to professional account. And as you can see now, I have my personal account. If we go again to the specific option to check what account we have now, we should go to account type and tools and switch to professional account. This means we already turn off professional account on Instagram.